Welcome to the Infidelity Doctor channel. My name is Dr. Talal Al-Salim, and this is the Ask Dr. Talal segment, your place to ask me anything you want to know about affair recovery and affair prevention. Please remember, this is not a substitute for the counseling that you're supposed to be getting. This is merely a place for you to get some basic questions answered, as well as a place for you to learn about my clinical insights when it comes to affair recovery and affair prevention. So the question of the week is as follows: why does the unfaithful blame the betrayed for the affair? First of all, not all unfaithfuls are going to be blaming the infidelity or the affair on the betrayed. There are quite a few of them who actually have the audacity to blame the betrayed. I truly believe, regardless of why the infidelity happened in the first place, the unfaithful partner is 100% responsible for the decision to cheat. So, even in the worst case scenarios in which infidelity was caused by a relationship deficit, and if you have the worst partner in the universe, that does not give you permission to cheat on them. If you're not happy with yourself, or if you're not happy with your partner, you have options. You can go to counseling, deal with your individual issue, or you can take your partner to counseling if this is a relationship deficit, or you can leave the relationship before you cross the lines of fidelity. So that's why I really believe that even in the situation where the infidelity was caused by a significant relationship deficit, it's still the unfaithful responsibility and choice on how they wanted to act on this deficit that they felt was existing in their relationship. In terms of what are the scenarios that causes the unfaithful to blame the betrayed for the affairs? There's 3 unique scenarios that I encountered in my clinical practice. The first one, if this current affair was under the umbrella of revenge infidelity, meaning that the current unfaithful partner decided to cheat because the betrayed partner have cheated on them in the past. So from their perspective, they see it as, this is my reaction to your poor actions for infidelity, so tit for tat. And again, my rebuttal for that one: two wrongs don't make a right. Another reason why the unfaithful blame the betrayed for the infidelity is the situations in which there was a lot of relationship deficit. The unfaithful was not happy with their partner. They tried to communicate about those issues, or maybe they have pitched the idea of counseling, but despite their best effort, their relationship deficit was not resolved, or maybe they didn't consider the option to go to counseling. So from the unfaithful perspective, well, I didn't want to cheat. I tried to give you many opportunities to meet my needs. You did not take those opportunities, so it's only fair for me to get those needs met somewhere else. Another common cause in which the unfaithful blame the betrayed for the infidelity is when you are dealing with folks who have cheated for individual mental health issues, such as the case of people who have personality disorders, whether it's antisocial personality disorder or somebody who is dealing with narcissistic personality disorder. And for those folks, it's going to be difficult for them to take responsibility for their actions, even though there is a clear evidence that the affair is 100% their responsibility. So the blaming here is really just one more manifestation of the egocentric view that they have about the world, where nothing is ever their fault and they're always right and their partner is always wrong. So these are the 3 main reasons in which the unfaithful can blame the betrayed for the infidelity. But just like I said, these are not valid reasons. The unfaithful is 100% for the choice to be unfaithful. Hopefully this answered the question of the week. Make sure that you leave your thoughts in the comment section below about the answer that you heard today, as well as your suggestions for questions that you'd like to see me to tackle in future videos. Until then, be well, be safe, and embrace the possibility for a brighter future. Take care.